Good day, everyone. For this week, our topic is all about percentage. Today, let us have percentage increase. But first, let us complete the table. So we have here fraction to decimal to percentage. How are we going to convert fraction to decimal and decimal to percentage? So let us have 1/2 as an example. How are we going to change it to decimal first? To change fraction to decimal, what we're going to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So, alin ang numerator natin? 1 is our numerator, while 2 is our denominator. So, to change it to decimal, what we're going to do is just divide 1 by 2. So, 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 cannot be. So, we will add decimal point and 0. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, our decimal for 1/2 is 50 hundredths. Now, how are we going to change decimal to percentage? We just need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, 1, 2. And then, we're going to add percentage. That is why 50 hundredths is equal to 50%. Next example, we have 75 hundredths as decimal. First, how are we going to change it to fraction? So we're going to make the denominator as power of 10. So the last decimal place is hundreds, therefore we're going to write it as 75 hundredths, or 75 over 100, and then we're going to get the lowest term. So ano ba ang GCF ng 75 and 100? The GCF is 25. So we're going to divide 25 over 25, which is 3/4. So 75 hundredths is 3/4 in fraction. Then decimal to percentage, just like what we did earlier, we're just going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, which is 75%. Next, percentage naman ang given. How are we going to change it to decimal to fraction? So to decimal first. So kung kanina, decimal to percentage, we're going to change, or we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right, baliktad naman. So we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 1, 2, that is why we have 40 hundredths. And for fraction, we're going to have 40 divided by 20, which is 2/5. And that is how we convert fraction to decimal to percentage. First, what is percentage nga ulit? When we say percentage, it is a ratio, fraction, or portion of a whole which is represented as 100. Now, let us have percentage increase from the term increase, pagtaas. Right? That is the amount of increase in comparison to the original value. So for that, we're going to use the formula percent increase is equal to the new value minus original value divided by the original value times 100. Let's take this example. A product costs 200 pesos and the salesman told you that the price of the product will become 280 pesos next week. Further, the salesman said that the store will have a 30% increase in all their products. How are you going to check if the information given by the salesman is true? So, tama ba na 30% talaga yung pag-increase? Let us see. So, what is the percentage increase if the original value is 200 and the new value is 280? So, we're going to have the new value, which is the 280 minus our original value, which is 200, divided by 200, which is the original value, times 100. So 280 minus 200 is 80 divided by 200 times 100. So 80 divided by 200 is 0.4 times 100. That would be equal to 40%. Okay? So, 40%. So, tama ba yung sinabi ni salesman? That is incorrect. Sabi niya kasi 30%, pero yung pagtaas is 40%. Last example. A Jollibee branch recorded 100,000 sales in 1 week. After a week, it became 150,000. Find the percentage increase of its sales. So, alin yung ating old value? Yung old value natin is 100,000. Ang new value natin is 150,000. So, using the formula, we have 150,000 minus 100,000 divided by 100,000 times 100. So, ang una natin gagawin, we're going to subtract first. Subtract. So, this will become 50,000 divided by 100,000. Di-divide natin yung 50,000 sa 100,000. That would be 0.5 times 100. That would be equal to 50%.